guys, I'm back with another video today, and we are putting our cat Num Num in this video. And don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. And this cat will never learn. Yeah, and y'all like and subscribe this video. I'll bring more videos out. And subscribe.
Hurry, this cat is annoying.
To bless this cat, okay? You know what I'm doing, getting there? I got, wait, I gotta do something. Hold Num Num. Hold Num Num! Hold Num Num.
I got her.
Over here.
Nummy.
Get on the same side. Num Num. Num Num. Num Num. You gonna be in the video? Kitty wants to be.
No! This is my kitty, and she is very
Our
cute.
kitty.
Our kitty. She is very cute. Her name is Winter.
We call her Num Num.
We call her Num 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 Num. But her real name is Winter.
Don't.
Sorry, guys. Our connection.
It's fine. We don't have to have a connection.
I will.
That stupid cat!
Sorry, guys.
Hey, Nummy Dummy, come here! Stupid cat, we call her Num Num. It's actually dumb.
Wait, damn it. We can't make a video without her.
Yes, we can.
At least we still have had half of her in the video.
Okay. We can do it without that stupid cat. But here's the end of the video, guys. I'm sorry it's so short, but if you sneezed during this video, bless you. And don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button to bless that cat. And we all bless that cat. Comment down below. And I'll see y'all.